Dad was just saying that it kept. We had a power cut last night. No, we blew the power last night.
We blew it.
Yeah,
yep.
Right in the middle of birthday dinner, which was fun and exciting because it wasn't quite cooked. Yeah. Dad was just saying the reason that it didn't go below 14 degrees down here, even though the radiator turned off, and I did try and come and turn it back on, but yeah, he was saying because it's well insulated, and I just said that's because we have fabric and we clearly need more, and he just rolled his eyes and said he could leave. So yes. Anyway, 1, 2, 3. Merry Vlogmas!
See, nothing happened.
You will have noticed.
I've got my hands in my pocket.
Yes, no tickling, no flinching. This is good. You will have noticed there was no Vlogmas yesterday, and that's because it was Papa's birthday.
Yes, all day.
Very busy.
Dad requested coq au vin for
I
dinner,
did. Yes.
and it was delicious.
Yes.
But my goodness, isn't that involved?
Yes, and then we had
artichoke and
carrot soup and birthday cake.
Actually, it's really gorgeous.
Well, I just realise that they're everlasting.
Yeah. Keto birthday.
Yes,
with
keto
cream.
Oh, it was delicious.
Yep.
It was very lovely. But yes, by the time Mum had finished all that, your guests had already arrived.
Yes.
So calendars didn't happen yesterday, which is why you got a hair accessories video instead.
Well, that was exciting.
Fingers crossed it was useful for some last minute present
That's
ideas.
a laugh with me, isn't it?
Would you like to model one of the hair accessories for
No,
us?
thank you, no.
So
Okay.
we've got 2 days of calendars today. So we're going to start with Mum and your gin.
Yeah.
So
I'm days behind.
Drinking as well, yes, because
behind.
we had fizz last night, so we want number 10.
7.
No, 11.
7.
We're definitely ahead of
No,
that.
dear.
10. 10.
Blimey. Oh.
I did start Vlogmas 2 days ahead, so I had a buffer, and I used one of those because I wasn't very well, and then the other one got used by birthday.
Oh.
Next year I shall start 3 days ahead.
Oh, 1798, Tobermory.
Ooh, fancy. And then next one is day 11, which is down there.
Oh, right.
I will show them both at once.
Yep, while you're there.
This calendar is not good, is it?
Well, it's good, but it's just...
No, the insides are good, but the last year when they had regulation doors that were all the same, it was much neater.
Never distilling company. Triple juniper gin.
So here we go, 1978 and Never Never. Got some Peter Pan gin, and you've got at least 2 that you've not opened.
Yes, yes. Oof.
Mum is 4 gins deep into her advent calendar. And this is a Clarecraft little worm. He's actually shouldn't be wobbling like that, but he's very cute. But yes, 4 gins deep. So fingers crossed you'll get a gin report tomorrow. You're gonna have a really exciting night one night.
Yeah, or catch up after Christmas.
Yes. 10 and 11 for me. Oh, 10's right on the top. That's easy.
Oh yes, I know. I took it. You think it's mine?
No. Wait. And 11. 10 and 11. Do you want to do the field test?
Oh,
I have absolutely no idea. This one I think is buttons.
could be a big patch thing. I don't know.
Buttons?
Oh, yeah.
Because Elena sews the buttons onto cards for me.
Buttons.
I have the best selection of buttons from Finland. You do find really, really good ones. Apparently she's been finding things all year
Oh, how lovely.
and putting them aside for me.
I think it's just a wonderful, wonderful gift.
I'm very spoiled. I did
Very
tell
spoiled.
Elena that I was very spoiled, that she's picked me as one of her people that she's like, I care about and want to treat. Oh, this is buttons too.
Oh, it's buttons too. I didn't get buttons.
Oh,
Oh, good.
oh, they're pretty.
Ooh.
Do you sew through the middle, or are they? How do they?
Underneath.
Oh no, yeah. Sorry, we're
Oh, they're
they
gorgeous.
are gorgeous.
Lovely colour and pearly.
Yeah. Oh, I
Shiny,
love
pearly.
them. They're going to be a pain to do buttonholes for because you're going to have to do the long length.
Yes, yes.
I like those. Sorry, Papa's getting...
No, I'm not.
Prepared.
He's getting prepared. He's reading his stories. So I think this is buttons as well.
I think you're right.
It is buttons.
Ah.
Oh, these are bigger buttons. Oh no, Mum can't have these. No. Okay.
Ooh.
They look like coat buttons to me.
They do.
Shiny and domed.
Lovely, lovely.
Thank you so much.
They're alive.
They're alive.
too.
They're beautiful.
Gorgeous.
These could go really well with the Vogue coat that I want to do next month.
Yes, big chunky cardigan.
No, look at mine.
No, I was thinking for you.
I've got a big chunky cardigan coming up.
Do you want shiny domed buttons?
No, I don't.
I would think you'd want wooden buttons.
I don't know yet.
We'll
wait till we get there.
I have some wooden button options for you.
Yeah.
So,
Have we decided what colour you want yet?
For my sweater. Oh, traditional.
Cream?
Cream.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cream.
And do you want wool like alpaca, or do you want acrylic?
So many questions.
Oh well, no. Do you have super sensitive skin? Does wool make you itch?
It does, yeah.
Okay, but you're probably never going to wear it directly next to your skin.
No.
Sure.
So you could get away
No,
with
those
alpaca.
days are gone. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't tell you. I got Dad homework for your birthday, didn't I?
Oh, yes.
He's out of frame again. There we go. Yeah.
Sorry.
I got you homework for your birthday, didn't I?
Yes.
I bought,
Yeah.
I bought Dad this book that I found recommended online.
Well, journal.
Yes. It's a give and get
it's not
back
a book.
Well, it is. It's a hardback book. It's a give and get back journal. Yeah. It's got lots of prompts in it, which you can totally ignore and put your own prompts in and things like that. Yeah. You can add pictures, but it's a dad tell me your story kind of thing.
Yeah.
So from early childhood through to what you think about your children. There is that section in there.
Yeah.
Like things that made you laugh about James and I, and things that make you proud about James and I. So that's going to be interesting to read.
It's interesting. I did it in a different way with my dad because he wanted to tell his story about when he was a pilot and did something really
There's
brave.
videos of it. I'll link those in the description.
I typed his book for him. It's not a huge book.
I'll link that in the description too.
It's for the Sunderland charity in Wales. So I learned a lot about my dad that way.
Yeah.
So this is a nice
The Sunderland
thing to do.
being a short Sunderland flying boat.
Yes.
Yep.
Again, all the details will be linked in the description. I know a few of you have watched it as well, and it's really interesting the comments on that video. That's like, oh, that's my great cousin 5 times removed. Like, that means we're related. So there's been a couple of singletons in there that are just like, I know, I'm related. So yes. Anyway, sorry. Calendars, Dad's calendar. We're getting overexcited.
Number 10.
Okay, camera out. Where did it go? There.
I'm not sure. 10. Right, down on the corner.
Ooh, lots today. Where are we?
Where we found his sleigh.
Oh, okay.
So we're in the garage, are we?
No.
Oh, there's
large
presents.
hall, tons of already wrapped gifts. So it's a loading hall.
Welcome to the bow tying department.
Okay.
And there's a Santa's sleigh picture.
Yeah. Now we've got to load that in a particular.
Oh, okay. I like those. It's like Tetris.
Exactly 3 of the gifts go with each riddle card.
Okay. That way.
That's it.
Oh, here we go. Yes. Well done, Dad.
Yeah.
Oh, are they meant to be making like number shapes?
Yep.
Oh, that's not a shape of a number.
Yes, it is. It's a 1.
Oh, okay.
Hey!
That
We got the 1.
That does not look like a 4, but I suppose if you did join the things up, you went like that, it does look like a 4, but it doesn't look like a 4. And how do we know what order they... Oh, because this is coloured.
4, 1, 2.
Yeah?
Yes.
Phew. Oh, I like the Tetris.
That was a good one.
We're going to enter the library.
Ooh, library.
Yes.
At least their perforations are good.
Right.
That doesn't look like a library, that looks like a kitchen.
God, blimey, this is going to be complex. Because they all come out.
Did we get the right? Oh, we did. It's not a library, it's a kitchen.
It says library.
Well, I mean, it looks like...
You enter the library with your mouth still full of cookie crumbs. You stop dead in your tracks when you hear
That's day 12. We're on day 11.
That would explain
We're going
it.
to the library tomorrow. I'm not throwing shade at Mum or anything, but this was a quite accurate representation of the kitchen yesterday.
Yeah.
Mum hasn't
Yes,
seen it
you're
yet.
in the kitchen.
I'm in the kitchen. Oh no! I was very clean and tidy, and
You
I
were.
washed up as I went.
You did, but
I
there
did.
were every single surface was
It
covered.
was not many surfaces.
So it's kind of a similar one to yesterday's.
A
Yes.
sort of Tetrisy thing.
Yeah.
By the way, do you like my Dayglow dressing gown? It's my early Christmas present because Mum really did get fed up with the what was white but is grey. So I'm now leaving pink fluff all over the house.
Literally.
I hate
I
to
dread to think what the washing machine's
That's
going to be
what-
like.
Exactly what I was going to say. Let me just show. So we've got a bunch
mess.
of cookies and some baking sheets.
Yeah. With colour
Wish
codes.
us luck. Right, so will we count?
So that's a church or a tower, isn't it?
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
yes. Yeah.
Right, okay.
How do we get a number from that?
You look inside the box because
Oh,
inside the box
there's a picture.
there
on
are
the
pictures
wall.
on the wall that have got numbers on them.
4.
4. Correct.
Oh, it's a cow.
Oh yeah, I give them a cow. I'll give them a cow.
And they're quite clever.
Yeah, I'll give that a train. Oh, that was hard work. Oh, there was a rhyme on the back of the...
I read it to you.
Did you? You did, right at the beginning.
You did.
My little brain has lost that information.
Frazzled.
Right, okay. Dad's managed to migrate out of shot again.
Okay, I'm in shot now.
Did
Yes.
you have a nice birthday?
I had a grand birthday, yeah. Yeah, very
You're a
pleasant
busy
indeed.
boy on his
Did you
birthday.
win your second round of cards?
And I won at cards.
And I won
Yeah.
at cards.
And
that was great.
I won.
I
I
was
wasn't
winning
allowed
at cards
to win.
until I got thoroughly
you won.
stuffed for the
Yeah.
last 2. I got caught with a joker in my hand, which really hurt. But never mind.
Yeah.
Never mind. So you're off to see your clients today?
Yep.
Yes.
What are you up to today?
I'm going to do some painting.
Oh, lovely. And I
Be
am going to
creative.
go. I'm going to go and make myself presentable and put clothes on and do some filming. So you have a video today, which you watched yesterday. So we will see you a bit later for. Well, these two will see you tomorrow for more Vlogmas, and I will see you a bit later for behind the scenes waffle. Anyway.
Yep. Okay.
No, thumbnail. Thumbnail. I'm wearing something different. It will stick out.
Bye.
You're not looking at the camera either.
Okay.
Of you.
Does it make a difference?
Yes.
Oh, right. Hello.
Oh dear. Herding
You'll
cats.
get us trained.
Actual herding
You'll get
cats.
us trained.
She's lost her head. The head is gone. There is no head.
She's literally on.
Maximus very much enjoys Chiana's old cat scratching post, and the only reason they have it is because there wasn't room for this one in my room, so I went for a tall to floor to ceiling one, but I've sat still long enough, and so I have Purring Kitten. Hi baby, are you full on loaf? Nope, that didn't last long. They do like this mat. This was one of you lovely lot sent us this mat. Thank you so much, because Susie loved it and these two are really enjoying it as well. I'm going to make some more out of my old dressing gown, just so that we have a couple of little pads, so that because this is a lifesaver for your lap, for cat floof and also claws when they start getting excited and making biscuits on your lap. Mum has been thoroughly sat upon. Max is hugging Izzy. I don't know if you can see, that's one. She's not sure about it, so we might end up with a grand battle on the lap, because he's just chugging on her neck there. Little vampire kitty. She had enough. I feel so elegant. I've got one of my 5951 dresses on, the double gauze one, and I've managed to do that because we came down and did calendars earlier and the heating has been on since then, so it's absolutely gorgeous in here, which means that no sleeves was a possibility even with a cardigan on. And I've got my Gucci-esque elasticated belt, and I've just put the buckle at the back because it's a gunmetal coloured buckle. I'm going to have a look and see if I can find a gold one. Then I have on shark slippers. So yes, elegance personified. Makeup is on. Had the spoons today. The hair is down, and I really don't like my hair down. I do wear it down sometimes, but it's usually at least kind of like half back off my face. I think that just looks so much better. And then all up, I just feel much happier with it all off my face and up off my neck. But I love long hair. I don't want to have short hair. It's in quite good condition at the moment actually, which is quite nice. Anyway, waffling about hair. Well, I'm just about to film my hair accessories video, and I genuinely thought I had more accessories than I currently do. I've got 4, although technically I have got a 5th one that I can pull out and use as well, which I think I'm going to do because yeah, when all my zero waste projects together looks very impressive, but actually only 4 of these are hair accessories and 2 of them I don't particularly like. So whoops, but never mind. I'm gonna get that filmed now so that can go up this afternoon or yesterday afternoon, because I would like a video a day for Vlogmas. It is the time of year to try and make the effort to put out as many videos, quality videos, as you possibly can. Yeah, wish me luck. I'm gonna start with the 2 I don't like, and then I can put my hair up and do the 2 that I like more. It's going to be interesting. Yeah, wish me luck. I will report back later.
1 hour later.
Okay, I've just filmed that. Fingers crossed I've got something usable out of it, because trying to film yourself doing your hair from the back is harder than I thought it would be. Theoretically I'm in focus and in frame, and it's not actually anything like groundbreaking, so it's not like it's a really difficult hairstyle to follow. But yeah, if that bit doesn't end up making it to the video, you know why. The hair accessory tutorials collection is up. Yeah, I kind of just thought there's no point me kind of regurgitating already great tutorials to show you how I followed a tutorial to make something. So basically I'm saying I didn't want to do like the step-by-step guide of how to make each of the accessories. So I just thought putting together some of my favorites, and I do like the headbands very much in style, just not on me, as I have found out since making them. But the scrunchie and the bow I really like, and I can definitely see myself making another couple of bows. I mean, I bought a lot of barrettes, so I can see myself making a lot of bows or hair slides. But the scrunchie, or the Threads monthly scrunchie with the little bow, I love that. I make a lot. I've got probably well over 100, because I've been making it for years, and I do want to experiment with some of my floatier fabrics, making the actual bow bigger so that it would be a real statement in the hair. But the little one for the slightly stiffer fabrics like the cotton lawns and things like that works really well. So that was today's video, and it is 5 o'clock. It's 5:30. That took me so much longer than I thought it was going to. I think I am going to call it a day. So I actually did sleep quite well last night, which is kind of unheard of, but I think it was probably like the lack of sleep from the last couple of nights combined, and it was just like, yep, body was like, you will sleep, and you will sleep for a long time. I just need to call it a night now, unfortunately, which sucks, but it doesn't matter because I have all day tomorrow to come back down and work on and through some of my projects. And I think I want to do my dragon in a day, because I've put makeup on today, which means I can put makeup on tomorrow and my skin should be fine with it. Yeah, I have kind of like a two-day window where I can put makeup on, and then my face is just like new. I think the last time I wore makeup was on the 12th of November, nearly exactly a month ago. So yeah, I think I'm going to try and do my dragon in a day tomorrow, which I am excited about, and hopefully will be an interesting video for the channel. Then it will be back to clothes making, finishing off the shirts, and then moving on to the dresses. On that note, it's been a very short and sweet Vlogmas today, although you did get double calendar goodness this morning, so I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you all tomorrow for more waffly goodness. Bye!